So now that the Snowmaker is up and running, what's actually happening here? And how does the water turn into snow? The top two nozzles on the Snowmaker create millions of tiny water droplets. As those droplets spread out into the freezing air, they begin to cool. The lower nozzle array on the Snowmaker head uses compressed air and a small amount of water to create a fine nucleation mist. As the air expands, it rapidly cools the tiny water droplets, forming ice crystals that act as a seed for the water droplets above. As those ice crystals come in contact with the cooled water droplets, they are triggered into a frozen state and fall from the plume as snow. Here is a great video showing the snow falling from the plume. It's actually quite magical. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about SNOWatHOME Snowmakers or which setup is right for you, please contact us. We'd be happy to help. Be sure to check out the other videos in our 4-part series.